As far as Doge support floor, it sort of is currently $0.56, which in every practical sense is very huge. Dogecoin cost examination in a real sense is bullish today, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin in a real sense has a medium-term opposition at $0.64, which basically is genuinely huge. Doge fundamentally rose 15.48% in 7 days in an essentially enormous way. 24 walk 2024. In this video we will walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now, or for in every way that really matters 1 week from now, and in every way that really matters attempt to answer these much of the time truly clarified pressing issues facts, what truly is in every practical sense momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin, essentially is Doge a sort of wise speculation, which sort of is very huge. Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. However, prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the Doge specialized investigation, for the most part allowed us really to discuss the by and large current economic situations, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours there truly was a ruin of 184%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to Doge 499,063, 833, 658 in a very significant manner. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume really remains at $68, 721, 1671-4, showing how the in every practical sense, complete exchanging volume in every practical sense, remains at $68, 721, 671-4, which truly is very critical. Bitcoin shares 51.69% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping truly profound into the Doge specialized examination, most certainly allowed us to discuss the genuinely current economic situations, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $65, 694.50 level after a vertical development of 63%, which especially is genuinely critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value reduction of 46% coming to $3,404 during the past 24 hours, so Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so on in a genuinely significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $561.78, following a value change of 49% within a similar time period, showing how market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a destruction of 184%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to 32.4 833, 658, or so they essentially thought. Sol, the especially local coin of Solana, certainly is somewhere near 37 and presently exchanging at $177.01, which in a real sense shows that Bitcoin shares 51.69% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the Doge specialized examination, generally let us for the most part discuss the truly current economic situations kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to Doras at 60 subsequent to seeing a decay of 77% in esteem, further appearance how market examination over the last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a defeat of 184%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $499.63, 833, 658, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. These occasions most certainly demonstrate that the market most certainly is going in a kind of descending bearing for in every practical sense, present moment, so Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so on in a significant manner. As of now, a genuinely broad, truly bad plunge being seen all through the crypto market in a by and large significant manner. Dogecoin backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense distinguish really key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unobtrusive way. Support explicitly is a level at which purchases in every practical sense become most certainly more genuinely dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there really was a defeat of 184%, bringing the especially whole digital money market to 2,499.63, 833, 658, which certainly is very critical. Similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which dealers basically become move fundamentally dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how right now a kind of broad, quite bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, or so they truly thought. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin Doge generally is at 0.17, up 436% in the precise beyond 24 hours, and in every practical sense, has a value change of 1548% throughout the week, which truly is very critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC really is 2,797,552,476 just, while by and large absolute market cap came to totally 24,929,660,331 US, which for the most part is genuinely critical. There especially are practically 143,599,826,384 especially are available for use out of 143,599,826,384 in a sort of significant manner. Dogecoin value examination Doge cost investigation for 24 walk 2024 inside a day-to-day time period generally made sense of beneath in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize kind of relative strength indexes, moving sort of normal union and disparity. MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving extremely normal smart and dramatic moving genuinely normal amount to dissect the future development of the Dogecoin, or so they in every way that really matters thought. While Doge's Williams percent R pointer truly is at 58,383 for the 14-day time span showing a non-partisan condition. A exchange certainly signal especially is fundamentally conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how support most certainly is a level at which purchases really become sort of more extremely dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing that market investigation over the absolute last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 184%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital currency market to total 2,499,063,833,658, or so they generally thought. The MACD line in a real sense is remaining beneath of the sign line after a hybrid showing how Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so on, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. Dogecoin financial backers need to generally sit tight for any directional change over the by and large everyday diagram, showing how one-day exchanging volume for BTC basically is 2,797,552,476 US, while kind of complete market cap came to $24,929,660,331 USD, or so they sort of thought. The exceptionally relative strength record RSI demonstrates that the Dogecoin by and large is in oversold stage, as RSI sort of is at 24, showing how sold the local coin of Solana essentially is somewhere around 0.37, and as of now exchanging at $177.01, which generally shows that Bitcoin shares 51.69% of the entry market, while Ethereum in